Hey guys, welcome to Random Tuesdays. So I started the vlog off with some quilting, and today I decided to return reformatory. That's a 5-star read for me. And then I rechecked out the ones that I got, quilting books, and then I added this, which is another craft book, to the mix. Yeah, and I'm going back to do some more bags today. I also have movie night with Kayla tonight, so we're obsessed with African movies, guys. Obsessed. So anyway, check in the field. Hey guys, so I'm in the car. It's the next day, and time to get a new laptop. So I spoke about this when I got the desktop, which is what I use most of the time when I'm home, but my desktop was old. We're talking decade plus. So this one is about a decade. I was trying to think if it was 2014 or 2015 that I got this. Needless to say, I've had it for a while. I really can't get the date on it because I started my blog January of 2016. I had this before. Now, I used to have Dell because I used to have this like program from work where you got a really nice discount. They got rid of that. So I got this, and I can't complain, guys. I can't complain. It served me long, and it's thin, easy travel. Love the size, and it was doing well until I cracked the screen this last year. Oh, it is dusty. That's how much I haven't used it. But I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but I cracked the screen, like nasty crack. But I was still trucking along. And then when they came up with a new update for the Windows, forget about it. It was not compatible. Wish I knew it wasn't gonna be, because it's old. So I am going to replace it now because I bought the laptop and I was given time in between to, get the finance right, because these are big purchases. But I need it now. It's getting warmer, and I need it when I travel to my when I go visit my parents, when I want to ride outside, when I go in the library. I realized I had nothing. Plus the battery doesn't hold. It has to constantly be plugged in. So she did me good. I cannot complain. She did me good. But it's time to give her up and to get a new computer that I'm looking forward to. And hopefully they have the same exact one. I really want the same exact one. Like, I want same color, same size, and of course it's light. It is light, and it's easy to travel with. I have it in the, of course, quilted bag that I made. So we're about to walk up in the store. I already did my research of what I really want, so hopefully they still have it. And yeah, come on with me. Guys, I'm getting a big head today because why did I get a couple of compliments on my quilted bag? I love when I go into like a sewing fabric store, because people notice. They'll say, did you make that? Because that's what they will ask you. They just like, well, did you make that? I'm like, yeah. So I got some fabric. I only got 3 different fabric because of what I want to work on. So I'm going to be doing mostly like stuff that's easy to, what am I saying? Stuff that's easy to adjust, because right now I'm training for a 5K and I've been running, and I already feel it that I'm dropping. So especially since I started yoga, and then this month I've been running. So I've been running 3 days out the week, and you guys know how cardio works. So because I don't want to make things too early, because I do want to make stuff for Easter, but I'm gonna make like button-up shirts. I'm gonna make things that don't have lining in it, so I don't have to worry about the work it's gonna take me to adjust it. If I lose, you know, a lot. The goal is 46 pounds, y'all. 46 pounds. That's the goal. I mean, there's long-term goal, but for right now, in the next couple of months, I want to drop a lot of weight, and I'm doing the work to do it. Still eating, still doing what I have to do, but I am working out, this is the most workout I've done in a while. I'm in pain. Would I say every time I get up, it's a slow move, but I'm doing the work. So now I'm done. I'm heading home, and then when I get to the house, I will give you guys a run up of what I'm reading and what I purchased today for my crafting, and the computer as well. Yeah, sorry, see you in a few, guys. But yeah, my head is, because I got compliments on my bag. Yay. All right, guys, I'm home, but I wanted to show you the DIY skirt. So if you watched last week Tuesday video, I had that jeans that I was going to turn into a skirt, and here we have it. So I didn't have enough fabric to do a lot of pleats, so I just did 2 here and 2 in the back, because that's all the fabric that was in the leg. Like, nothing went to waste. I literally cut open the legs, and this cut is, I end up putting all of them together. So there's always a seam, 2 seam here, 2 at the side, and 2 in the back, just to attach all the fabric. So this is a cute, easy upcycle for jeans that, you know, where there's holes like mine was. If you look at the video, you'll see where the holes were. And yeah, so this is cute, and I will be wearing this a lot when it gets warmer. I think it's just a cute, I like the length, it's not too short, and I will most likely wear this with some sneakers, with maybe like a white t-shirt, but I put it on just so you guys can see it. So that was the last upcycle. All right, so let's show you what we got going on over here. All right, guys, so it's a lot of stuff still going on in the back because I'm doing some projects. So yeah, so the basket over here, last night, or while we were watching a movie, I was basically going through and seeing what I want to make for spring. So I started with this jumpsuit because I had this rib knit, and I wanted to make this easy jumpsuit because I've been wanting to make it. It is my size, but I was a little concerned that it's going to be too fitted, because I looked at the finish and the finish didn't give me any ease. It's literally my exact size. Like, this is my exact measurement. Like, there's no half-inch extra, nothing. So I was real concerned that it's not going to fit me that well, but it did. It did. I put here so you can see an idea how it looks on me, even though the zipper is not in, but even that I still had room, because y'all been running, so I'm sure that's why it fits so well. I needed the zipper, so the zipper I had was too short, and so I went to the store, fabric store, for that main reason, to get the zipper. So this is what I'm going to put in the back, and it's yeah, it's spot on. It's spot on. And then this is the tie for the waist. So I'm just gonna finish. One thing I did notice, there definitely is an error in the neck, because this is how the neck is, and I'm pretty sure this is supposed to be in half, because it has a zip in the back. So minor flaws that I saw, but I think if you were a beginner and you purchased this, you probably wouldn't have realized it. All right, so that's the sewing project right now. So let's talk first of what I'm reading. So I'll pop up the book. I got The Ark for Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie for her new book, Dream Count. I didn't know what it was about because she's the author by for me. I don't care. I just know she's that author that when she comes out with a book, I'm going to purchase it. There's not even a if and a but about that. I will definitely purchase it. So for me, it was a must buy. But then I didn't realize I should have had this turned on. Didn't know what it was about, but it's really, again, the perfect book for me. Is someone that is in their 40s that is during the pandemic, and they're a writer and they're reflecting on where they are in their life, and this is what you're getting. So you like memory laying down with her past relationship, her relationship with her parents, and how judgment some of the past relationship she was about the lifestyle she had, being someone of some privilege. She is playing again, she sticks to the root of having African Nigerian characters, and this person in this group is a Nigerian. Her best friend happened to be a character that she wrote a short story for that I read maybe 2-3 years ago, and she shows up in this, so you get a twist of her somewhat relationship with her in the book, which makes it like, you know, very much a girl book. This is giving me definitely like more of a girl book, a girl read, a grown woman read, and make you think of certain things. So I'm enjoying it. It is long. It is long. It feels long. I think I'm like 100 page in, and it's like 300 and something page. All right, hold on, let me switch the camera because it feels a little dark right here. All right, let me put this away for a little bit. All right, so I had to go back to this. I'm only 28.8% in the book. What page is that? I'm also not done with Junie, so I'm a little behind on all these arcs that I really wanted to read, and this is slow. So yes, I am on 102 pages, and this saying the book is 335. So yeah, I am going to continue reading this, and it's going to continue on with the weekend vlog. And I'm also reading Junie, and that one I was hoping to finish already, but I have not. So that one is also going to be read. I'm going to finish that one, and that will just be in a bigger book video. So definitely going to be vlogging this week. So but I'm enjoying it. It's literally up my alley. I know what I thought she would come back with after not writing a full-length novel in 10 years. This is not a novel I thought she would have come back with, but it's also like very realistic kind of book. Like I felt like I'm like, yeah, shaking my head a couple of times. So yeah. All right, so this was a win. So I'm excited. A win. Can't wait. So because I'm doing that, I did buy some more batting. So I needed more batting, so I picked up more batting from the fabric store. I also picked up a lot of bright color. Bright. I'm a pink and yellow girly. So I have this that I had intended, and I'm still intending to make another of the button-up shirt, and I just knew I wanted color in it. That's like my staple shirt right now. I am loving it. So I wanted to make a yellow because I know I would get a lot of wear of this. Yellow on my skin tone in the summertime is such a plus. I picked up a pink because I am going to be doing, let's grab what I'm going to be doing with this one. So I am thinking a jumpsuit, but I'm also considering this Know Me pattern, Know Me 2091 dress, but I haven't made my mind up yet because initially I was going to do the pants situation with this. I have 4 yard, so a jumpsuit definitely can be made with this. I also picked up this really fiery red, but it is cotton poly, so it has stretch in it, and this is definitely going to be some pants. I want to make a wide leg pants with this, and that's it. And then of course I did buy the zipper that I showed you earlier, and that's it for the craft. Oh, I did pick up some needles earlier this week, and I got another cutter because the cutter I'm having, I find that I'm doing a lot of to get things cut, and the review on this one was really good. I haven't opened the pack and used it yet, so we'll see. And it comes with a couple of blades. I don't know how many is in here, but I like that it comes with blades, so as it get dull I just change them out. Also that I did not highlight was I got some Mood Fabric bag. So I'm going to be making some denim scraps that I have, and I have 3 sizes. So this is a small, a medium, and a large bag, but I think I'm going to try for the first time just do the medium size one, and that will give me an idea how big the large is going to be. But I love that Mood Fabric. It is free pattern, and you get 3 different sizes. Like, I was not sure. I thought it was just 1 bag, and then when I cut it I realized, oh, it's 3 bag sizes. All right, so then the computer, so I did get some films for my camera, for my IV camera, so I needed the refill. And let's open the camera, the computer. It is going to be the same exact computer. It's just a slightly different color, because the exact color that I had, it didn't have. I'm kind of happy I didn't, because I find that this is not going to be all dirty as quickly. So in here have the cord, extension cord. That's pretty much it. Yeah, there's nothing else in here, and I'm assuming this is there's some pamphlets. The first thing I'm already noticing, how quickly we have fallen. My original one came with a leather case. This is some flimsy wrapper. So in a matter of 10 years we have downgraded quite a bit on what it comes in. So this is what it looks like, exactly like what I had before. I do feel like, why do I feel like this is slightly heavier? But it looks exactly the same except for the color. So it's in a darker gray, and it is very much easy to travel with. And I am, oh, nice. It comes with keyboard cover and the keyboard. So this is it. So I'm excited to use this, and yep, still has the same effect of closing it. And yeah, so what do I notice? Okay, the on button is not in the same area. So where do you turn this on at? Yeah, I'm gonna need a pamphlet. Oh, so there's a power button here. Okay, I will plug it up and deal with that later. But that was so interesting because I'm like, my computer was that old that the power button is no longer on the side. But I see the power button here. So, alright guys, I am going to end this video here for another random Tuesday, because it actually was a random Tuesday for sure, because I had a lot going on in this video. And yeah, so I'm excited for March. I'm excited for spring. I am looking forward to doing these projects and to also, like I said, finish these books. I have 7 arcs. 7 arcs, and I've only reviewed 7 arcs on NetGalley. Not overall, because I had 8 and I did review. I take that back. I had 7 arcs. And I reviewed 2. Where's the Miss Pauline? They took it off of here already. They did. They took it off my list. But I already read it. I just have to review it on here. So I need to go to it and actually review it. So A House for Miss Pauline, and now and Good Dirt, which I did review. So now I gotta finish Junie, and I gotta finish Dream Count. The other ones I won't talk about yet. They don't come out yet, but I need to get on the ball with those before they come out. I really wanted to read all these arcs before and review them the day they come out, which is always on a Tuesday. But I've been failing at reviewing them on time because I be reading too many books at the same time. Yay. Anyway, guys, let me know if you are reading the new book from Chimamanda Ngozi. Let me know, Adichie. And yeah, and I will give my final round of the book by the weekend. So if you've seen this on Tuesday, it comes out Tuesday. And I probably will have the physical book by then. And then I will continue reading the electronic art that I have. And I will give you my final review on Saturday for this book. Yeah. All right, guys. See you in the next one. I'm excited to play with my new toy and gadgets and sew and craft and do all the goods and quilting, everything else. Yes, I'm always doing something. Somebody asked me if I'm ever bored at work. Somebody asked literally because I'm single, I don't have no kids. And then I'm like, when would I find time to be bored? Because I'm always doing something. My mind is always thinking of something. I'm already thinking about my my next journal, because this is the last month in the one I am working in, and my mind's already on that. Like, ooh, what kind of journal I want to make for April, because April is a spring for a journal mood. But I always make the book before April, of course. So I'm already thinking about that. I'm already thinking about the word of the day stuff. I'm constantly doing something, and I love that for me, because I can be in my space and not feel bored, because I don't have time to be bored, because there's so much I can do. But it's a good question that was asked, that I was like, oh my God, like, how do I feel bored? I don't have time to be bored. So, all right, guys, see you in the next video, and yay.